Have you ever wondered why most retail option traders don't fail instantly, but slowly bleed out over time? On Wall Street, he is known as the exit liquidity. To him, the stock market isn't a place for investment, it's a lottery ticket. He walks through the rain, clutching onto hope, praying that this time his out-of-the-money calls will finally change his life. He's not looking at the data. He's looking at the big prize. But he isn't alone in this street. Someone is watching. Behind him, the hedge fund is prowling. They don't rely on hope. They rely on mathematics. Through their binoculars, they track every move the herd makes. They aren't betting on lucky numbers. They are reacting to positioning, liquidity, and flow. And right at the window stands the market maker. He is the house. He's the one selling you the ticket. He doesn't take sides. He facilitates the trade, capturing the spread. But here is the harsh reality. This market is a zero-sum game. For every single contract traded, there is a direct buyer and a direct seller. If you win, the other side loses. The market maker stays in the middle, taking the spread, managing the risk, never taking your side. And the hedge fund? It's not in your trade. It's watching, waiting for one thing. The moment the crowd starts thinking the same way, the moment everyone buys the same dream, the game changes. This is where the gamma squeeze ignites. When thousands of traders, just like our man here, move as a single unstoppable wave, the system is forced to react. A brutal chain reaction triggers, and the market maker is no longer calling the shots. Suddenly, the house starts to sweat. To stay delta neutral and protect himself from a massive rally, he is algorithmically forced to buy the underlying stock. As the price goes up, he has to buy more, and he has to do it faster. That acceleration is gamma. It's a violent feedback loop that drives the price to the moon, not because the company is better, but because the system is reacting, because the big players are forced to panic buy. And the hedge fund sees it, not with emotions, with precision. They don't fight the move. They join it. They pour gasoline on the fire, into a system already accelerating, buying along with you. And when the liquidity is at its peak, they exit. Retail traders think they've beaten the system when they see the green candles. They don't realize they are just the fuel. The moment the market maker finishes hedging and the hedge fund hits the sell button, the squeeze ends. The lottery ticket becomes a worthless piece of paper in seconds. In this game, hope is not a strategy. If you don't understand who is sitting at the table with you, it's because you are the one being served for dinner. Stop gambling. Start calculating. Don't be another ticket in their hand. Next time you buy, ask yourself, who is watching you through the binoculars? Is the premium an actual gift or just bait? Discover the truth in the next video.